What's up, everybody? You already know what day it is. It's date day, or in this case, it's date night.
It is date night. It is Saturday night, actually. And you've been editing all day.
All day.
And I've been all by myself. So we are going to do a date with the Adventure Challenge.
Yes! I'm excited to see what you guys have in store for us. I never know, because in the Adventure Challenge Couples Edition, it's like scratch off, so we never really know what's going to be inside.
No idea.
It's super creative, and it gives everyone like a surprise element to the date. So I'm excited to see what's on the menu today.
Yes, yeah. And before we get started, if you guys want to do it too, there's a link in the description box below. Click on that link and purchase you a Couples Edition or Family Edition or Friends Edition Adventure Challenge book.
So let's get started. Let's jump right in.
I already have one picked out.
So I'm just hoping I don't have to blindfold myself and stick strange things in my mouth.
Okay. We have chosen, and when I say we, I kind of mean me, the high school sweetheart. So it says it's anywhere between 1 to 3 hours of date. You have to do it after dark, which is perfect because it's dark. And it might cost us $2 to $5.
$2 to $5. A $5 date? You guys are too kind.
That's my kind of date. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, I'm nervous. Guys, it's slightly cold outside, so that's why I'm wearing this. And I knew it would have something to do with being outside, but I was hoping I could wear warm clothes.
Oh no.
This is what this says. Dress like a high school stereotype.
Okay.
Jock, nerd, goth, etc. I might be able to pull something off here. Take a blanket and spread it out on a high school football field.
Okay.
I don't even know where one of those is.
Oh, snap.
Lay on the blanket, eat food that reminds you of high school. Talk about your favorite and most embarrassing high school moments. Well, isn't this gonna be fun?
Oh, okay.
I have no idea where to start.
There's the field in Clearwater. Those baseball fields are usually well lit and available. Then there's one.
How do you know they're available?
Well, because I've been on the baseball fields. Then there's this other softball fields. And then we have the football field that is by the high school, Clearwater High, when you drive by like towards the Aldi and stuff that's on the side.
Okay.
We might be able to do that one.
Okay, let's get kicked off a high school football field, guys.
Worth it.
Great. We might have to improvise a little bit.
Okay.
Okay. What food reminds you of high school?
Gushers.
Oh, we had the 90s.
The 90s.
Okay.
Dunkaroos.
Okay. All right. We can't find Dunkaroos anymore.
Can't find Dunkaroos anymore.
Okay. Well, I need to regroup a little bit.
All right.
And then brainstorm, and then we'll get lots of blankets, and we'll figure this out.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
What are you doing?
Guys, I found my stuff from high school.
No way.
These are my swim team pants, and I just found out that the elastic dry rotted on them because they're so old. So I just tied them really tight.
Oh man.
But I have a jacket somewhere too that I need to find. So this is perfect.
Perfect. And for me, I am wearing glasses and a comic t-shirt because I was a nerd, still am a nerd, and I've decided to skip showers.
That's so gross.
Just like high school. All over again. What was high school like for you? Oh, you are all set up right now.
Look, it even has my name on it.
Oh, wow. Check you out. You have it all. Laurel Highlands Swimming.
Woo woo. Actually, shout out to them. They just won their Whippiols. Yeah.
Alyssa's in full HS. Oh, sorry. Wait. LHS.
Okay.
Mode.
Yeah. I knew this stuff would come in handy one day.
So you got it all on lockdown from head to toe. But what did you used to eat after a swim meet? Like you finish? What'd you do?
Well, we used to eat Potters.
Okay.
Which we don't have here. After a hard swim team practice, we would go to KFC.
KFC. Shall we get some KFC and eat?
That sounds like I'm gonna have a bad time tomorrow morning.
Yeah. So a special meat.
But we can get chicken and stuff.
Okay,
We can figure this out.
Okay.
We're gonna like kill 2 birds with 1 stone since we haven't had dinner yet.
There you go.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, guys. We are at Chipotle. Gonna order some food. I used to go to Taco Bell after my practices.
We did Taco Bell too.
I used to get pizza from Little Caesars, but we're gonna meet in the middle and get some Chipotle.
Good call.
Good call.
So that field, that looks pretty close. Cullen.
Should we go to the other field?
I guess. What other field?
The softball field that I used to play at. You want to see if that one's open?
Oh, that one.
The way you say it. Oh, that one.
Sure. We're just gonna be driving around all night. We're not even gonna be able to do the date.
That's the.
Quick update. We found a field that has the lights on, which is awesome. However, there's a bunch of cars here and there's a game happening. So, I don't think it's a good idea to sit out there in the middle of their game.
I mean, they might say yes. It's 2020. People a little bit more progressive these days. I don't know. They keep open minds. Do you want to ask?
No, I don't want to ask.
All right,
There's literally people out there playing.
I wonder what the score is.
Okay, well, I'm hungry, so I don't care to find out. Is this your 3rd place?
That's it. This is my 3rd place.
That looks pretty dark out there.
Yeah, it's pitch black, guys. But this is the high school here. Well, I guess now we know we're not sending our kids to high school because they don't keep the lights on because they can't afford to pay the bill.
We don't even have a toddler, let alone someone in high school. Oh my gosh. All right, we're gonna find a place to do this. It's probably not gonna be a sports arena, but it's gonna be outside.
It's gonna be outside.
And we're gonna get cozy outside and eat my cold burrito now because we've been driving around. But I'm excited. We're gonna share some fun high school stories.
Yeah, we've been talking. I love this though. Just going out for a nice little ride. So.
Oh boy, so fun. We'll show you where we end up.
Yeah.
So we just came back home. However, there is this cute little grassy area with a fire pit.
Yeah.
Fire pit.
Fire pit.
And we have the place to ourselves. So this is our makeshift football field.
There we go.
We're gonna eat outside and we're gonna have a good time.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Ow. I wish I had an embarrassing story to share with you guys. But I really can't think of one. I don't know. I'm sure something happened in high school, but it was just so long ago. I graduated from high school 12 years ago.
Dang.
That's depressing.
Yeah, I graduated in 07. 007.
Oh, so 13 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Look at you.
There you go.
Yeah. I do have fond memories of my high school, though.
Yeah.
Like, I enjoyed high school. Being involved in a lot of different things. Made a lot of friends. Made a few enemies. Don't we all?
Alyssa told me not to tell you guys her embarrassing story. But she was swimming in the pool and she ended up pooping in it during a swim meet.
That is not true.
Dropping little floaters. Little bunny.
That's not true.
Little bunny mingles.
No, that's not true at all. There you go. That's cute. Yeah. I wish I had like a theater story or a swimming story or a...
What'd you like about today's date though?
Spending time with you.
Oh, it was pretty cool just driving around looking for stuff.
Yeah.
I think that in itself was the adventure, just looking for fields.
Let's see if we can find a field to lay on.
Yeah, we drove.
Nope, not there.
But we tried. We drove to three different spots.
2
softball fields. A baseball field, a softball field, and a football field, and all their lights were shut down this weekend. So.
Well, or they're being occupied.
Oh yeah, one was. Yeah, they were actually
Occupado.
We should have watched the game for a little bit.
I was too hungry.
Yeah.
I really wanted to eat.
But that was good. That was fun. But this place is closed apparently.
Yeah. So my biggest worry for this date is that we were gonna get arrested for trespassing, and we got yelled at by the security guard
at the place we live.
Well, he didn't yell at us, but he did say that this place closes at 9, which makes 0 sense because he said that he talked to the leasing agent and she said it's supposed to be open 24 hours. And I was like, it doesn't say anywhere that it's closed. So, but he let us finish eating.
He's like, yeah,
just told us to hang out for a little bit and then go home. But I was like, 24 hours, like, that means I can come here at 3 a.m. Anyhow.
Yeah.
Well, we still got in trouble.
Yeah. But guys, if you want to do some more of these fun dates.
What?
The way she's looking at me, guys.
My hat's coming down over my eyes.
We're in Florida and we're wearing jackets. It's ridiculous.
It's so cold. It's supposed to be 50. 49 tonight is what it's supposed to be. That's too cold.
Oh my gosh. Please go on some fascinating, some interesting, surprising, entertaining, adventure-filled dates. You won't regret it. Click the link in the description below. And you and your girlfriend, boyfriend, spouse, significant other, best friends, couples, family, go do a date.
Sorry, my nose is running.
And as always, if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise. Bye.
Bye.